Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make money from Ice TV Africa. Very simple. It's free to register. No paying of 1/6, no referral or anything. Once you register, you log in, you can see videos. Alright. Also, they say important. Please update your account details to get paid. We pay monthly once you have accumulated above 5,000 naira. Click here to update your payment information. Now you click here. So if you don't update your payment information, you will not be paid. So you have to update your payment information. What that means is I have 4 naira already. You just type in your bank name, your account name, account number, and save it. So once you reach 5k, the system automatically withdraws your money for you, and the admin will now see your payment, your bank details, and wire the money to you. If you are from a foreign country, it will now show your PayPal. Simple. Now let's go to the main thing. Now you're only paid for latest videos. You're not paid for old videos. So you have to come to latest videos all the time and check videos that are new. Update. We pay you 1 naira to comment on videos. Unlimited videos uploaded daily. You only earn from latest videos, as I said. Once video is over 24 hours, you can't earn. Now they use pop 80s as their means of earning. So once this thing pops up, you just end it. Okay. Where was I? Okay, let's just end this. That's how they make money. So click on latest videos. You see all these latest videos here. Nicki Minaj, Timi Dakolo, Ice Prince, and all of them. Now let me comment on Nicki Minaj video. See, people are already commenting. I'll just say mistakenly clicked on an advert. You guys are really making money. Now you say don't comment nonsense. Make sure you comment meaningful stuff. If not, they'll deduct it when they want to pay you. Wow. Nicki is damn hot, I swear. Then you click on publish. You see, I had 4 naira before. If I refresh this page now, I have 5 naira. So you keep commenting like that on new videos. So you go to the latest, as I told you. Go to latest, as I told you. You see lots of videos. The problem is, can you comment? So in a day you can make 1,000 naira if you are serious. Okay, just be forgetting about this pop edits. See, Nicki Minaj. They have so many videos they upload in a day. One day ago. You see. I think you can't earn from all these ones. Once the video is more than 1 day, you can't earn from it anymore. This is 24. 10 hours ago, yes. 10 hours ago. 10 hours ago, 18 hours ago. So that's how you make money from Ice TV Africa. So simple. These guys are really nice, man. I already told you how to save your stuff. And that's it. No referral. No referral before you earn. Nothing. Once you register, do your own thing. Log out. Come in anytime you like. Don't have to refer anyone. So that's how the system works, man. Alright, see you next time.